places to live, it's about bringing new life to a piece of Kansas City
fuck
story.
up your buddy
Now,
real
all of
quick.
these ambitious developments are being driven by some incredible growth numbers that really showcase downtown Kansas City's momentum. In 2023, our city welcomed a record-breaking 28.4 million visitors, generating $6.7 billion in economic impact. But what's really interesting is how these visitors are spending their time and money downtown. According to Visit KC's latest data, the average visitor is staying longer and spending more than ever before. Hotel occupancy in downtown reached 72% in 2023, with average daily rates up 15% from the previous year. And this isn't just weekend tourism. We're seeing significant growth in business travel and convention bookings, with the Kansas City Convention Center reporting its busiest year since 2019. But perhaps even more impressive is the residential growth that we're seeing. Since 2020, downtown's population has grown by 13%, adding nearly 4,000 new residents. And these aren't just any residents. 52% are millennials, making downtown Kansas City one of the youngest urban cores in the Midwest. This demographic shift is driving demand for everything from coffee shops and breweries to co-working spaces. The employment picture downtown is equally impressive. Despite national trends toward remote work, we're seeing higher percentages of employees returning to downtown offices compared to suburban areas. Major employers like H&R Block have renewed their commitments to downtown, with several implementing hybrid work policies that keep their offices active throughout the week. Now, before we dive in deeper to these developments reshaping Kansas City, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also subscribe to my email newsletter using the link in the description. It's packed with the latest Kansas City news, events, and more delivered to your inbox for free every week. Now, when we talk about downtown Kansas City's growth, it's easy to focus on the new residential projects, but it's so much more than just housing. Right across the street from the Aladdin Hotel redevelopment, the $90 million transformation of Barney Alice Plaza is one of the projects I'm really excited about. This project is such a game changer. They're taking what was essentially a deteriorating parking structure and turning it into an incredible mixed-use public space. We're talking about a dog park, flexible event areas for festivals and pop-ups, a sloped lawn with terraces, and even a pavilion plaza designed for food trucks and public art. It's a complete reimagining of how this space can serve the community. And the timing could not be better. With the FIFA World Cup coming in 2026, this plaza is going to be a centerpiece for downtown Kansas City. Imagine fans from all over the world gathering in a vibrant, modern public space right in the heart of the city. The new parking garage beneath, with room for around 600 vehicles, ensures it'll be functional for both residents and visitors alike. But what excites me most is how this project isn't just about a single event. It's about creating a space that serves Kansas City long after the World Cup. Whether it's for local festivals, casual gatherings, or just a place to relax downtown, Barney Alice Plaza is set to become a cornerstone of our community. Speaking of game-changing developments, let's talk about the South Loop project, easily one of the most innovative projects happening not just in Kansas City, but anywhere. They're taking 5.5 acres of airspace over I-670, space that didn't even exist before, and turning it into a world-class public park. Right now, I-670 creates this obvious divide between the Central Business District and the Crossroads Art District, but this project changes everything. Imagine being able to walk from your downtown office through lush gardens to grab lunch at a pop-up market and then continue straight into the Crossroads for after-work drinks. This kind of seamless connectivity isn't just practical, it's what makes urban living exciting. What really stands out to me are the flexible entertainment venues and market spaces included in the design. Kansas City has so many talented local artists and entrepreneurs, and now they'll have another amazing space to showcase their work. Add in year-round programming, play areas, and gardens, and it's easy to see how this will become a true destination. And it's not just about the park. This project includes critical infrastructure upgrades to I-670 itself. The nearly $32 million investment from MoDOT, combined with the city's matching funds, will replace outdated retaining walls, draining systems, pavement, and the Walnut Street Bridge. These upgrades don't just lay the groundwork for the park,
Sound like
they'll
it's gonna
make
be some
the
road
downtown
work.
corridor safer and more efficient for everyone. As someone who works with people moving to Kansas City on a daily basis, I can tell you that this is exactly the kind of project that makes people want to live down